Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off friend notifications in Headball 2. If you're getting too many friend notifications in Headball 2, you can disable them using the steps I'm gonna show you. First of all, open up the Headball 2 application on your device and then from the home page, tap on the little green arrow at the top right corner. From the expanded pop-up menu, click on the gear button. Now, click on notifications from the settings menu. You will then be able to see two different friend notifications and challenge notifications. To turn off the friend notification option, disable the button right next to friend notification and make sure that it is labeled as off. You will now stop receiving friend-related notifications within the game. Now you won't get friend notifications, so you can focus on playing matches and improving your skills. That's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.